My mother, who had lots of friends and was very sociable, got rid of all of them during the Great Depression years. She took the Depression as a personal offense because she thought the Depression was my father's fault, because it was a personal attack, and if he were a real man, he would have gotten us out of it. He was incapable of doing any of that. So she made a living for the family during the Depression years. And it didn't matter to everybody around us, everybody in our community, everybody in the Bronx, everybody in the country was suffering. If they were, it was because of Dave Feiffer. If he was a real man, that wouldn't have happened. And in fact, all of her friends, who became former friends almost immediately, were doing better than our family. So they, who had been maybe middle class or lower middle class, might have gone down a notch or two. We became poor. And it was a sense of shame that my mother never recovered from, and an injury to a pride that she never recovered from. And her only way out of that was to stop knowing all of the people she had known. She was a very social creature, to stop socializing with all of the people she had socialized with, and to kind of hermit herself, because being poor was a shame.